Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and Push-Button Ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, tires, front performance, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.